Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, this is Mohammad Before today I am gonna to discuss with you about sound blending. So let's get started. This is sound blending class. I hope you can enjoy. So let's start it. Come, make, at, cat, okay, cat, rock at red, rock at red, cat at cat, rock at red, bop at bad, bop at bad, cat at cat, rock at red, bop at bad. So another example. Dog at dad, pop at hat, ma at mad, pa at pat, da at dad, pa at pat, ma at mad. Repeat after me. Pa at pat, da at dad, pa at pat, ma at mad. Sound blending is one letter and two or more than what makes similar. And this is sound blending. Sound blending, you can more words clearly pronounce easily or clap. With clap, clap at, da at, dad, da at, dad. You can pronounce clap or as like as da at dad, da at dad, pa at pad, ma at mad. I hope you can enjoy this class. See you next class. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.